Now, don't steal anything when anybody looking. Understand? Alright, beat it. Little runt. Smoky, Smoky. No, it's time to growth. Now, in order to make money in your business, in order to be a good thief, and you've got to be an artist. And now, I'll show you how to take your top the man when he's got it on. Give it back. Come on, give it back. Now, what I want you to do is, I want you to help me get a car, a bird, anything, to get away from here, to get away. You go away? Well, I come back. You come back? Sure, I come back. We are partners. Partners. Shake, shake. All right. Okay, thank you for watching my video.